Hey there, everyone. All right, so we're going to go look at this final assignment. I'm Annie, and so let's start this fun thing all over. All right. All right, so my topic is on diversity. Again, my name is Annie. I'm in the CWID 101 TED Talks class for 2018 summer semester. The instructor is Kim Schaefer. I apologize if I pronounced your last name wrong. All right. What is diversity? Diversity is the looking glass that you see the world through. It's race, religion, sexual orientation. It could be taste in music, a hobby, or a thought. Your origin, where your ancestors came from, cultural backgrounds, fashion, or food. Are you colorblind or color brave? Colorblind ignores differences, doesn't recognize full potential in differences, and prefers the hush-hush method. Color brave embraces differences, wants to learn more, and use what they learn, speaks out and encourages. 5 countries and their diversity. United States. In the United States history, many bills and acts have been passed involving diversity and discrimination. The Equal Pay Act of 1963, the Civil Rights Act of 1964, the Age Discrimination Act of 1967, and the Americans with Disabilities Act of 1990. As of 2013, full-time women workers were only making, on average, 78 cents per every dollar a male coworker makes. Despite recent federal recognition of same-sex marriage, there is still a lack of protection against discrimination for the LGBTQ community in the workplace. LGBTQ is lesbian, gay, transgender, and bisexual. Remember that for later on. A study of nationwide data from across the United States from January 1999 to December 2015 revealed that the establishment of same-sex marriage is associated with a significant reduction in the rate of attempted suicide among children, with the effect being concentrated among children of the minority sexual orientation. The Employment of Non-Discrimination Act, ENDA, is legislation proposed to prohibit discrimination in the hiring process and workplace based on sexual preference and or gender identity. Canada. Canada listed that companies must report their practices on diversity through the corporate responsibility statements. Organizations and 50 or more employees with 50 or more employees in the province Ontario are required to create and disclose accessibility policies under Accessibility of Ontarians with Disabilities Act, or AODA. Mid-year report in 2015 reported 16.4% on average among all companies were females. China. There is a government quota that requires 1.5% of job opportunities exist for people with disabilities in the public and private workplace. Women make up of 11.1% of the corporate boards. Finland. Finland is a member of the European Union and supporter of the Diversity Charter, a document that is signed voluntarily, stating it will promote and ensure diversity in the workplace. As of January 2015, Finland passed a Non-Discrimination Act. an obligation to private sector businesses to promote equality and prevent discrimination of employees. Women have 29.9% of corporate board seats. Woohoo! Russia. Ugh. Women have paid maternity leave before and after birth. 3% of companies have female board members. Vladimir Putin's anti-gay influence culminated in a bill banning the propaganda of non-traditional sexual relations. Law enforcement uses this to justify harassment of LGBT activists and events, which creates hostility throughout the country. All right, diversity in schools. As you can see, there is this lovely little circular thing here, and it's kind of like a little, happy-go-lucky, colorful thing, because these words are important to keep things good for diversity in schools. So the first one is compassion. Second one, acceptance. Third one, actions. Fourth one, knowledge. Fifth one, courage. And sixth one, be color brave. All right. Diversity is a goal shared by many American colleges and universities, yet achieving this goal is harder than it seems. Benefits of diversity can be different backgrounds, experiences, cultural contexts, and worldviews, etc. Sometimes there can be negative people that feel they are better social class or privilege. Equality is very important in order to move forward to making diversity pleasant and a good thing. Use self-reflection. Put yourself in a scenario that you think about how it would affect you and how you would address it. All right, guys, so here's the mini refresher. So have your pens and pencils ready if you want to participate in this. And if you do, please put it in your comments in the discussion board. All right, so the first question is, what country has paid maternity leave before and after childbirth? Second question, are you colorblind or color brave? Third question, why do you feel diversity is important? Fourth question, what is LGTB? Fifth question, which country has 29.9% women corporate board positions? All right, credit due. I got some of my facts from Fast Facts, Diversity and Inclusion Around the World by Lindsay Clark, posted on August 24th, 2015. I also got some from Yale Center for Teaching and Learning, Diversity in the Classroom. And a little bit of info I got from our own previous unit on diversity from the TEDx Talk, Improving Your Diversity IQ, and the TED Talk, Colorblind or Color Brave. Thank you all, and you have a great day. Bye.